Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So I made this during ski time. This one you are seeing is 30 pieces of origami paper. And this one you are seeing right now is also 30 pieces of origami paper. So I was thinking, how did I made this one? It's just I was making this origami paper and combine them together, and then I found the back side is actually flat, and the surface is very flat. So I was thinking maybe I can try, and I did try it, and I made it. And I was very happy. So I wanted to do it again according to this one, 12 piece. 12 piece origami paper, a smaller ball, and how I can turn it into inward out, inside out, the other side. So I didn't expect the challenge in doing that, because the more pieces of origami you use is kind of relatively easier once you get over the confusing stage. And so this one is the whole process of I am doing it. So the beginning stage is exactly the same. This is the spiky out. Now here is the spiky inward. I just use the same way of doing it. But so I just use the same method, and as if I am doing the floral design outside. Does it make any sense? It's kind of hard to explain if you do not, if one has not put in the work into it or has not yet done it. I hope I can explain it. It's not saying that anyone is not making effort. It's just the two sides of matter. So I was just messing around and trying around, and I realized some of the pieces I did is not perfect, and use this time to correct a little bit. I'm sorry I need to do this with voice over, because I am at home, I am at home with family, talking around, and I do not want to share our family talk. So the whole process of making this is something like 14 minutes. I did a recording. If you hear the recording, it will be a little bit too boring. It's just I struggle to put it on. Anyway, at the end of the day, almost the end of the day, I made it until the last piece, and I get lost. And it was middle of the night, I'm tired, and I went to sleep. I just could not think it through. I went to sleep, fell asleep. I think my brain was kind of keep on working on it in my dream or in my unknown, the sleep time. I kind of, through this matter, I kind of starting to understand there is something happening in our sleep, even if we are not consciously thinking. This is something quite magical. Our brain is actually carrying on, or I guess my brain is carrying on the thing that I was thinking during the daytime. I went to sleep, did not think about it, but the next morning I woke up, still have no idea, and I reassemble a couple of times, still didn't get it. And then I did my shopping, did my family outing, and in the evening coming back, I pick up again, and did. Suddenly I got something, bling, that feeling, and I find it very interesting that a lot of time when we want to do something and then we get stuck, and oftentimes that is the time we give up, right? The truth is that obstacle is a gift from heaven, is to tell us that we should carry on, keep on. The last door of the treasure house is in front of us. It just needing us to have the courage to say open sesame, and to have the courage to push the door. Does it make any sense? A lot of time when we plateau in some place, it's the last step, the last key point. We need to be a little bit more persistent, a little bit more conscious, a little bit more resisting, persisting to get it over. Once you have the courage to get over it and standing on top of it, it's usually the place that we are going to see the treasure. So I kept on doing, and then I finally got it right. I think the last piece, the last 6 minutes of recording was when my family all fell asleep. So I will show you the real sound of it. So this video is half original sound, half voiceover. Does it make any sense? I'm just happy I made it. I made this 12-piece inward out. Now here is the even bigger challenge. Can I make 6-piece, a cube, inward out? Does not feel so. Maybe. Let me try. That will be the new challenge. No, 6-piece. Maybe we cannot enclose it. Cannot think it through. No, I cannot think it through. Okay. Now you will see the original last piece of this. Okay. Hello, dear friends. So last night we got to this stage, and I just felt I cannot go any further, and I gave up and went to sleep. And today I am thinking about it. There should be a solution. There should be a solution. There should be a solution. I think this is right. And this should go here. Yes. And this should go here. Okay. It's so awkward. Awkward. This should go here. This, yes. Got it in. Got it in. And this should go inside. There is hope. Uh-oh. This should go inside. It's a bit too much for me. You go inside. Okay. And this should cover this, and this should go inside this. Simply. Almost getting there. Yes, there is a pocket. Okay, there is a pocket. It's too tight to squeeze everything in, but everything, the relationship seems right. Yes, we are right. I made it. Comfortable, comfortable, comfortable. Yes, I made it. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. Squeeze in. Squeeze in. Squeeze in. Squeeze in. Squeeze in. Yes, I made it. Gosh, I'm good. Made it. So this one takes 12 pieces of origami paper, and it's everything tucked in. You can see this is an angle, this is an angle, and I am proud of myself. I was thinking if there is a way outside, there must be a way inside. And it does have. Oh, this is so good. Oh, I'm so very happy. How do I make it even better? Just the curiosity pushed me to try something and to fail in front of the world, and shamelessly not ashamed of it. That is empowering. Anyway, that's it.